It's easy to find the wonder of life. She heard a song on the way to LA. An old friend used to play and nearly brought her to tears. They hadn't spoken in years. Checked in, then she raced through the crowd. There's only one seat left now. Out of everyone in the world, she was sitting right next to her. Some things are just hard to explain.
Yaxshi bo'lish umr uchun foydali.
He got laid off again.